It's nice and lightweight. I did size down to an extra small, but it does have pockets here. And this color is just gorgeous. My husband was kind enough to show you a couple things I got for him. These shirts they have are like anti-wrinkle or wrinkle resistant. He got them in a couple different colors. I would say they run true to size. Did I get you a large?
Yeah.
And they're like such soft material, perfect for work or just with denim like this. Okay, I also got him just some of these basic tees. They're a very similar material to the workout sets. And then these shorts, kind of like just a super stretchy workout material. These also were true to size. He normally does a large in tees and medium in shorts, and they fit pretty good.
Yeah, really nice.
And this set is really similar to that first one I tried on for you guys. Again, he did a large in the sweatshirt, medium in the pants. They do have pockets. They're nice and stretchy. You see the back pockets. So those were kind of cute. It's just a really great little jogger set, super comfortable. These also come in a bunch of different colors and have a zipper pocket. You guys are gonna love this brand. I'm gonna link everything I shared today in my Like to Know It, including my husband's items, but their stuff is incredible. I have to introduce you guys to my favorite new athleisure brand. You may already be familiar with their incredible menswear brand, but they just recently launched women's, and let me tell you, I want every piece. When we were at LTKCon, both of the girls at the Roan booth had this set on. I could not order it fast enough. It is honestly the softest thing you will ever feel. Perfect for travel, perfect for lounge, and it comes in like 6 different colors. The waistband is super stretchy, so it's very comfortable. I love that it has pockets, and this mock neck is perfect. I'm also loving their workout wear. I just recently got these leggings. They actually stay up while I run. They're very stretchy, but they're nice and supportive here in the midsection. And then this is the long line bra. I feel like it gives lots of support, and this fabric is like butter. I also grabbed this cute little crop tee just to throw on over the workout set. I love this espresso brown color. And for colder days, I thought I could throw on this oatmeal mock neck. This material is literally just the softest thing ever. I could not pass up this jacket for fall. I love this giant collar here.